Honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Thanks for taking time out of your busy schedules to help us celebrate our 50th birthday and to open this new state-of-the-art facility. I hope you've enjoyed our company timeline, video mapping and tour of the site. When our founder, David Ashwell, started Steel & Alloy, he had a vision to build a good business, one that was capable of surviving the ups and downs of the economic cycle. Steel & Alloy's money had to be well spent. And I think, seriously, in this new Popes Lane site, we have done just that.
For me, it's also time, and I would like to remember David Ashwell, because probably he's the responsible that we are all here together. Obviously, he was the founder, and I had the privilege, even if I didn't know him in detail, to meet him 3 times between year 2000 and year 2005. And from the very beginning of our conversation, he was always worried with the future of the company. He didn't want the company to disappear, and he really wanted this to grow. As he called it in his own words, for him, this company was his 5th child. And so he was, I guess, looking for a family business with the same principles and sharing the same values that he had. And I have to say that from those days that I've been with David, plus conversations that I have with his management team, I find a lot of values very similar between David and also my father, the founder of the group.
This new facility is only the beginning. World-class manufacturing firms like Steel & Alloy are in demand by automotive industries across the world. Multinational car companies come here to buy tried and tested products that are augmented by cutting-edge design and research. And the Department for International Trade is committed to helping UK suppliers meet this global demand.